How to remove the page number in the first page of a Word document. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove the first page number in the first page of a Word document. So let us get started. First of all, just open up a Word document and just write any text. And after you do so, what you'll need to do is you will need to first insert a page number. So head over to the insert section and you will see page number here. Now I'll add it to the bottom of the page. So just add it to the bottom of the page and there you go. As you can see right there, there is the a page number. Now what you'll need to do is first you will need to go to your normal Word document and there you should see a paragraph option. Tap on paragraph and after you tap on it you will see that each and everything here has a paragraph ending icon. Now what this means is that you will have a page break here and after that you will see a lot of paragraph endings. So now what you'll need to do is after you've done this, you'll first need to add a section break. So to add a section break, you will simply need to head over to layouts, go to breaks, and after you're on breaks, you should see an option that says section break. Now here, tap on next page and you have added a section break right here. Now after you've done that, you'll need to select the second page number here. So head over to the footer of this very page number, and after you select this page number, you will see header and footer option pop up and you'll see the link to previous option turned on, and you'll simply need to turn this option off. After you've turned this option off, you can simply head back here and all you need to do is change this here. Again, select this section 2. After you do that, head over to your what we did earlier, head over to your page number, change tap on format page number and select start at 1. So after you do that, you will notice that now the 2 pages here is now page number 1. Now what you'll simply need to do is select this first page number and you can remove it. After you remove it, you can head back over to your home and remove this the paragraph lines here. After you do so, as you can see right here, the first page does not have any page number, but the second does, and it continues after that. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.